Okay guys, welcome to Infographics and Expressions. This course is divided in three main sections. The first section will deal with circles or wipes or pie charts if you want, and how to display certain values according to the wipe, and also put other information and animate them. It's quite an interesting section where you will learn a lot how to manipulate the pie charts and how to put certain values according to the wipe of the circle. The second section will be about bar graph, and you will learn how to move the bars, how to wipe them up, how to connect the values of the labels to the bars, and how to draw the X and Y axis, which is pretty interesting and pretty important. And the way I do it here is like you will save a lot of time. It's quite some learning experience. The third section is about line graphs, and we will use some effects and presets to connect the lines and to create the animation. Let's jump in and start creating our infographics.